How to fix Play Store not working in Moto G17 power. First of all, clear cache and data. Open setting. Now in settings scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search Play Store. Now click on Play Store. Click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache and clear storage. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. And if you want to clear storage or data, then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, check net. After check internet device, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. This is how you can fix Play Store not working in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.